Hello world, sometimes the more chances you give, the more respect you lose. Your standards begin to be ignored when you let people get comfortable in knowing that another chance in always exists. They start to depend on your forgiveness. If you don't take responsibility for your actions, then you are actually placing the responsibility of the relationship on the other person. You are expecting them to do the work by accepting your behavior and trying to learn how to still be happy and make you happy. You may not be able to change or take back whatever it is that you did, but you can do anything that you can to make amends. We need connection. We can survive without it, but we won't thrive without it. We can really get our emotional and social needs met when we feel safe, love, and have meaningful connection with others. You can't just wait for someone to walk into your life and change it for you. You have to be the change. Your emotional development and growth is the most important work that you can do for yourself and relationship. The better you are at understanding your feelings and needs, the better you are at getting them, meet and communicating and understanding the emotional needs of others as well. You don't know what you don't know, and that's what keeps holding you back for what you want. Don't wait for love, be prepared for love. How much better would life be if we could all appreciate how important it is to give and receive love? We all just want to feel safe and loved. Everyday life challenges to find better ways to show up yourself and others. Hope you show up for yourself today and feel loved. By Joel Clemons. On the repose of Ama from Infinite Mantra, as it captioned with, you see the more at peace you become. The less you tolerate chaos, you stop explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. You stop showing up in places that disturb your calm. You start choosing silence over proving your point, distance over forced connection. It's not arrogance. It's alignment. Your energy becomes sacred territory and not everyone is meant to cross it. Protecting your peace isn't about shutting the world out. It's about keeping your inner world clear enough to hear your own soul. Oh, cool that for you, Ama, sexy is an energy, not a body type. Excellent explanation. Anyway, got it that food for you is one of the biggest pleasure in life. At the Glamour Poland will be guests on the new episode of Double Trouble. We're in having a deep and surprising conversation that will get to know them from a completely new way on how has their relationship with femininity changed, how do they deal with hate, how is their view on spiritual matters, what do they consider to be their biggest flaws.
Że mam nadzieję, że wiecie, badanie piersi USG robi się raz w roku. Jak już mamy 40 lat, to zaczynamy mamografię i badając nasze wspaniałe przyjaciółki, sprawdzajcie proszę, czy wyczuwacie jakieś zgrubienia, czy wyczuwacie jakieś dołki, czy z brodawek wam nie wydziela się płyn. To wszystko ma znaczenie i jak chodzicie do waszych lekarzy, to pamiętajcie o tym, żeby zabierać ze sobą poprzednie, najnowsze wyniki badań albo całą waszą książkę tych badań. Ściskam was. Mam nadzieję, że dbanie o siebie dla was jest tak bardzo istotne jak dla mnie, albo właśnie ta wiadomość miała wam o tym przypomnieć.
When Simone attended the Premios Platino as the 13th edition of the Premios Platino held on May 9, 2026 at the Teatro Gran Clacho in Riviera Maya, Mexico celebrated the best of Ibero-American audiovisual production, Brazilian film, o Agente Secreto took home top honors including Best Feature Film with multiple wins. El Eternauta was recognized as the best miniseries or teleseries. Olivia y Les Nueves by Tomas Picardo Espailat won Best Animated Film, making the first time a Dominican Republic production achieved this honor. The event returned to the Riviera Maya in Mexico, alternating as part of a recurring agreement in Madrid. The gala features strong calls to defend public education and cinema in Argentina, notably by Dolores Fonse, the 2026 award-recognized film and series released between January 1, 2025 and December 31, 2025. The event served as the largest gathering for Spanish and Portuguese-speaking audiovisual talent, honoring the industry's best through AHEDA and FIFCA.
Podemos grabar una pequeña escena en el mensaje, te digo acción, dos pasitos, le damos una boxa. Linda, vuelta. Vamos a lo que tú dejes. Lo que tú dejes, ¿listo? 3, 2, 1, acción. Oh my lord. Gracias. Bueno, pero sí es la más compartida. Sí es la más.
Guys, heard this instrument choreography of the kids of Michele. Wow! What can you say on the rock-fire drumming of Brando? Anyway, Michele joined the kids on their instrument playtime. We can all understand how Michele loved to compose songs. Let's all hear this.
Everybody's moving in the back room. We're waiting for the sun to rise. We move a little closer in the back room, feeling deeper cause we know it's our time. Everybody's moving in the back room. We're waiting for the sun to rise. We move a little closer in the back room, feeling deeper cause we know it's our time.
Does Michele do some masterpiece song collaborating with Marilyn Monroe? And a big question, if he do a music video or he do this in real, as who owned the sexy fit here? Let's all take a look at this one. A kiss cam? Anyway, as I search on social media, I look at this one. Is this for real? Who is she? Is he really Michele? Comment your reaction, guys, on how true this was. Credit to the owner of the video from one of the posts of Michele's fan page. Let's see how's the weekend of Michele, Brando, and Marcus. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 137 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. Imagine living in a world where everyone practice and believe in self-mastery. Instead of people trying to control and use others, they learn how to have self-control and become useful. You have an opportunity to become your life greatest work. Use this gift of time to reach your greater potential and become the change that you want to see in the world. Lead with love, lead by action, and lead by example. Appreciation is what makes us feel love and is what makes us want to reciprocate love. Some people will use it as a way of controlling and manipulating a person by withholding that appreciation to make their partner work harder to learn it, so that when they finally feel acknowledged, they can feel relieved and less anxious. The act of showing a little appreciation then becomes the extent of their effort in the relationship. As you close your eyes and imagine being with someone that is grateful just to have you in their life. Someone who thinks of you and your needs when they wake up and are thankful for you when they go to sleep at night. Someone that sends you text messages during the day just to let you know that they are thinking about you. Someone that gets a silly grind on their face when they are being playful with you. Imagine looking up at someone and they are already looking at you like you are the best thing and greatest blessing that ever happened to them. Imagine how much love you could give to someone that truly appreciates you. By Joel Clemons.